Welcome to a planner flip through video, and today I'm showing you what I've done here with my pocket size Foxy Fix in Sugar Coconut and the Planner Society March kit. I love the Planner Society kits. They're so beautiful and floral, and I just love the florals. So this is my white pocket size traveler's notebook from Foxy Fix, and I put this little sewing machine charm on there, and I just got mine plain. I don't have any embossing on it at all. So I have to show you my decor and all my fun stuff here. So here we go. I have just a clear pocket here that I like to put things in. And I made this is the, what is it called? The swans. So pretty. And then I bought these plastic dashboards on Etsy, and they're pocket size, but I wish it was just a quarter to a half inch wider. They're a little bit short, so I might have to try to find a different brand that I like better. But anyways, it works okay. So I put the papers in here, and then this beautiful unicorn thing is actually a card that my friend sent me in the mail, and it's like a little pocket card, and it came with a little note here that she wrote for me. So I just put some stickers in there, and I glued it onto this front page of my calendar. And then on this other page, I just put this as a sticky note that I wrote the dates in. And then I have one of these today tabs here. I love these clear tabs. And if I can remember where I got anything, I will link it down below for you. So this is this week, working on it. And then I kind of pre-plan on post-it notes. And then on the back of it, this is the Planner Society sticky pocket here. And I put some more stickers in there. And then this is the back of that first book. Actually, this is the back. And then here's the next page. I made a little pocket thing here, and I put one of those fun letter stickers. And then on the other pocket side, I have more stickers. And then here is the start of another book here. And then I love these typewriters. I put the little girl boss sticker there. So cute. And then this is just plain paper with notes. And this is the first time I've ever done tabs, and they're so cool to have the tabs. I'll show you what it looks like on the side here. So I have calendar, notes, meal plan, and budget, and my lists. And then I guess I can show you what the top looks like there. Oh, it's so fun. I'm pretty minimalist. I don't have a lot of crazy stuff going on. I'm slowly gathering more things that I love. And here's more of those beautiful swans and more stickers in one of these little, I don't know, I made this. And more stickers, and then I put the swan. I think this is my favorite paper of this kit. So beautiful. And then I love just these little girls kind of throughout. And then here's my meal plan tab there. I need to print some more of these out. I really like this meal plan from Annie's Plans, but they're almost gone. And then there's the back of that one, and the starting of my budget book here. Put this little girl die cut in there. And then on this side, I have a picture of me and my hubby. And then there's my budget part, and this beautiful bow from the TPS kit. And then there's the back of that one. And then this is my last one. It's called My Lists. And I put another picture of my hubby and my little boy. And look at this telephone. Isn't it just so beautiful? That's just a die cut sitting there. And then here is a Hello Spring card from Coffee Monsters Co. And I have this beautiful white roses. And then I have my lists here. And then I have this little pin loop that I made for my beautiful diamond print. And then some more stickers. I just love to have stickers everywhere. And then the sticky notes I stick in the back. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you haven't got the TPS kit, I highly recommend it. It's so fun and beautiful. Happy day. Bye. It has been a crazy day, so it's time to relax and melt the stress away with lavender. I have my perfectly posh lavender goodies over here, and I'm sharing some me time with you guys, and we're gonna put in this lavender fizzy. There it goes. I can just feel the stress melting away. Lavender is a wonderful, relaxing scent and essential oil. I also put some bubble up powder in here while I was running the bath. And now we have bubbles and fizzes and this yummy, creamy, naturally based bath bomb. You gotta be careful when you're buying bath bombs because a lot of them contain sodium lauryl sulfate, which is not very good for your skin. It can actually make your skin dry out. So perfectly posh fizzy bath bombs do not have SLS, so it's really nice. They're very moisturizing, relaxing. There it goes. It's just so fun and relaxing just to look at it. But I have my good hydrations in shower or in bath lotion, and it's really nice. It works with your moist skin to hydrate, and it's lavender. PJ's All Day is a lavender body scrub. The Shea Moisture body wash, I really like that as well. It's just like Posh. All good ingredients, no animal testing, all the good stuff. And then my favorite, Feel Better Soon, which is a lavender chunk bar. I'll be washing with that in a minute. So I hope you enjoyed getting a peek into some of my me time. Don't forget to pamper yourself. Have a great night.